Welcome back, everybody. July 4th, Independence Day here in the United States. And I have discovered a new road. I discovered this road last month. I was watching Her Two Wheels, which is a bigger YouTuber out in the Newark area, and I'm just down the street. And I came up through here and I was like, this is an amazing little road. So I'm on Route 79 north of Newark Heath. And yeah, it's just this nice little twisty road. Kind of has, you know, nice rolling hills on either side. By no means is it mountainous, but it is beautiful nonetheless. So I've been, what was clicking? My headset was clicking. I've been back from Tennessee for about a week now. And yeah, I just want to go back. That's it. I just want to go back to Tennessee. So I guess I will have to take the rolling hills of, I don't even know if you call this Central Ohio or northeast portion. I wanted to bring the better half up here. I thought it was just an amazing road, but you know, she has decided to move to PA, so she will be missing this wonderful road. Camp Falling Rock. I've been to Camp Falling Rock. I know that name. I was in the Boy Scouts when I was a wee lad. Cub Scouts, Boy Scouts. So, you know, I've been to some camps. And if I remember right, I really like Camp Falling Rock. I think that's where I rappelled for the first time. And absolutely had a blast. So I think what I'm going to do is one last little story, and then I am going to let everybody go. And then once I get up the road, there's this other road that I really enjoyed. But when I was in Tennessee, I've always wanted to see a bear, right? Always wanted to see a bear. And I saw two bear cubs. And the first one I saw was like, okay, where's the mom? Is the mom going to jump out and eat me? And of course, you know, I'm here, so that didn't happen. And then the second one, I got a really good picture of it, so I'll put it up here. Yeah, two bear, all in one trip. So very happy about that. See, amazing. And this road just meanders through. You're never up on any type of ridge. You're just in the valley riding, which I do not have a problem with. So once I get down the road, I will be back. All right, everybody. Following this Harley in, we pulled off of 79 and on to 582, maybe? Yep, 715. I was close. I mean, there were three numbers, right? 715 West, public river access. Yeah. Go ahead and drop in here. And we are going up and over a dam. It's a tall one, people. Boom. Oh, check out the big birdies. There we go. Let's get a little height. So there we go. one earthen concrete dam. And then we're gonna drop back down. And I really like this road. And the reason why, there's a lot of, I don't know if they're rivers, creeks, whatever they are. But last time I was down here, there were tons of people in canoes and just chilling in the water. And I was like, there you go, that looks like a lot of fun. And, you know, we have the Hocking River down where I live, and a lot of people do tube it and kayak it and all that crap. But the water up here, it just seems to be a little bit clearer. A little bit white watery. You know what I'm saying? It's rockier. So, yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was one of my better rides. Every once in a while, you discover a ride that is just downright perfect, and this was one of them. Another one was on the Dual Sport when I explored the Hocking Lock number 12. Now, we have gone in the state of Ohio from that's a tree. That's a tree. That's a tree. Another tree. Well, let's just hope the GoPro pick that up. Oh my goodness gracious. So I don't remember seeing that the last time. Like I was saying, we have gone from a drought to too much rain, too much rain, and it's just like we get one good day like this and then it just rains. The rest of the week rains. I was talking to my mother today and I was like, so you say Boise's a desert. I said, I bet I could move out there and it just start raining, because that's just my luck. Every day it's just rain. And as you can tell, the river's up, a lot of the fields are underwater, the water is definitely not clear. And there was a tree. What a beautiful scenic river. Yeah, there was a tree on top of the train trestle. I mean, I don't know how long it's been there. I'm not gonna say this just happened this week, because that's a lot of water to come down through this valley, and I don't think the corn would be in the field right now. It was a tree. It was on top. Oh my goodness. So what did you do today? I took this ride, and you know, I went down in this little valley area, and there was this beautiful river, and there was a railroad trestle bridge crossing thing, and there was a tree on top of it. I'm right. I just don't understand. Oh my goodness, that's just too funny. I do understand. I understand that it would be a ton of water to come down through here. 206. What's 206 look like? That looks like a decent little road to ride. See, look, here's another one. I don't know if it's all like that last one we crossed, if this is the same one, if this is a different one. You know what I'm saying? Just tons. I'll have to look on a map. I have to do Google Maps and see what's up here. But yeah, no, it's just wonderful. And I think, not to this point, but where I started, 79, it only took like 45 minutes. Actually, it's going to be the next one to go up on top of that railroad track. Yeah, 206. I'm going to have to see how 206 meanders through here. Because, I mean, it looks like a decent little road. But like I said, it was only a 45-minute ride to the start of 79 from my house. I don't know how long I've been on the Spider. I've only gone through a quarter tank of gas, so, you know, it's not too terribly far. Definitely a ride. If you have not done it, you should check it out. Hiccups every time. Road subject to flooding, you think? What we have here, Mohican River, scenic. What do we have here? Public Wivel access. Yes, and I did say Wivel. I was raised in Chillicothe, Ohio, you know, southern Ohio, and it was when I went through school, at least for me, it was, oh, you don't know how to spell something, look it up in a dictionary. Well, I didn't even know how to sound the word out, so I couldn't even find the word in a dictionary. So, needless to say, my spelling still sucks. It's a good thing I have Google. But I was in speech classes forever, up until like the 5th grade until I moved to Lancaster. So, if you hear me saying the wrong word, it's just because I don't know the right word. It's just a little bit of information. Spider 1 take off on that one. Woof. Yeah, so definitely check these roads out. They're absolutely a fantastic ride. And this is still early in the morning. We're supposed to have like 90-degree day today. Maybe I can actually get in my swimming pool. This year, I've only gotten it once, and it was to clean it out. And then I went on a trip to West Virginia for a couple days, and I came back, and then it got cold, like lows in the 40s, highs in the 60s. And I have not been back in my swimming pool because the water is horribly cold. And I am not that person. If I'm not getting in water that's 70 degrees, no, that does not feel good. So I'm hoping today, oh, look at all this. We had a river coming down through there. Yep, brought all the mud and stuff. Yeah, so the solar cover, let's hope it does a good job. We had a ton of rain yesterday, so, you know, I'm telling you, this rain is ridiculous. It's hard to keep a pool warm when you have a ton of rain diluting all your chemicals and not letting it warm up. Because I need the sun, people. Look at that old Ford. That thing's in like real good shape. Is that a 250? 150? I'm gonna say it's a 250. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's a 250. It's a 250. That thing is gorgeous. I mean, I can see some dings and stuff in it, but that's nice. Nice old truck. So on that, I think I'm gonna let everybody go. Hope everybody, because by the time this comes up, hope everybody had a safe and fun 4th of July. Yeah. So give me a big old thumbs up if you like the video. Come check out these roads, man. It's just a wonderful, wonderful road to ride, or set of roads to ride. 79 north and then 751 west, and that's a dog face. That dog, its face was out the sunroof. He was checking everything out. And they do have big signs with yellow lights that say, if flashing, the road's closed due to high water. So just keep that in mind. But enjoy the ride. Give me a big old thumbs up if you could. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road. I'm gonna listen to me some tunes.